coffee out of a glass cup with a glass straw is truly the best way to drink your coffee and your water. There is something about a glass, like a mason jar. A big fat Erewhon like soup jar is my perfect water cup with a glass straw from Amazon. Link down below. It just hits different. I'm sitting at my kitchen table eating some toast yet again. You guys know the hack. If you try it, tag me. I need to leave for work in like 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and catch up on some emails and do all that work stuff that's not very fun for you guys, but it's very necessary for me, you know? I was lazy the other night and didn't clean my brushes, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean them right now. I like to just use the Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. I find that it cleans the brushes really well, and a lot of my clients have always complimented the smell of my brushes too, so I hate cleaning my brushes more than like anything in the world, and I feel like part of it is because I assisted other makeup artists for so long, and so the amount of brushes that I have cleaned in my lifetime, not even just of mine, of so many other makeup artists, is like probably a little ridiculous. I saw that the Spotify Wrapped 2021 just came out. It says, if my life were a movie, the opening credits theme would be Anyone by Justin Bieber. Classic. I spent 145,605 minutes listening. Is that normal or is that high? I would love to know. How many minutes did you guys spend listening to music last year? My top song of the year was Good Guys by Lainey, and I played it 151 times. Okay, so my top 5 songs, oh my gosh, you guys, they're all from the same album. That's like kind of embarrassing. My top 5 songs were all Lainey. Number 1, Good Guys, I Still Talk to Jesus, Anything for You, Heart Won't Let Me, and Paper, which those are all incredible songs, by the way. Ooh, okay, it says let's play Two Truths and a Lie. They've got me playing games this year. Tap the false statement. Your number 1 playlist of the year was Lainey. The song you binged the most was I Hope You're Miserable Until You're Dead. And Culture was your number 1 podcast of the year. I think the lie was that Culture was the number 1 podcast of the year because I love the Zayn and Heath podcast, but I typically watch it on YouTube. I don't really listen to it. Hey, I found the lie. Oh, that was the category, not necessarily the specific podcast. You guys, I just love Spotify Wrapped so much. That is probably one of the biggest things that I look forward to at the end of the year, is getting my Spotify 2021 playlist. I am such a music junkie. I'm always listening to music. I'm a nerd. And I love finding new artists and songs and making playlists and things like that. I want to know what were your, let's see, do I want to know your top artist or do I want to know your top song? I feel like I want to know your top artist so that I can understand, like, if you're a fangirl, if you're like an artsy girl, like if you're a punk rock girl. I say girl because my demo is like 3% male, so odds are most of the people watching this are girlies. And if you're a straight guy watching this, I'm just gonna assume you have a crush on me because I know you don't care about what cream blush I'm loving recently. So this morning I'm going to do Dorit from The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. I was doing her pretty much every day for a minute now because they film so much, and then she went on vacation, then the holidays happened, my family was here, so I was trying not to work that much, so I haven't seen her in maybe like 2 weeks now. I'm doing her today and tomorrow, so that'll be nice. Hey vlog! We're at Dunkin' Donuts right now because Mama doesn't like Starbucks. No. She's anti-Starbucks right now.
I don't care for Dunkin's Donuts though.
No. Krispy Kreme all the way, bitch. Yeah, are you kidding? Tana's assistant texted me at 5 o'clock this morning and was like, Tana's going to Miami. Do you have any lashes? Like, we're all out of lashes. And so I had to put out lashes for them to come grab at 5:30 in the morning. And then, get this, she bailed. She didn't even go on her trip that she needed them for. I do oat milk so I don't shit my pants.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
You guys had a little moment like the Fault in Our Stars.
Okay.
Okay. It's good. I don't know that I'm blown away.
Why?
It tastes very much like a peppermint hot chocolate.
Ice.
Like, I don't taste coffee. I taste like hot chocolate.
I don't know what you're doing in Missouri. All I know is you ain't on my bedroom floor.
You're so cute, Yeti. Oh my god, can you hear his purr right now? That was the cutest cat ever, but...
Oh, let me get...
We're at Whole Foods now. We found this recipe on TikTok and it's like a copycat of the Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. So we're gonna try and make them ourselves and do a little taste test, see if it tastes the same, better, or if it's like nothing like it. Hey vlog! I didn't know I was in the presence of a pop star. Oh, you open the door, Gavin DeGraw right there.
Chick-fil-A.
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
Powdered sugar. Peanut oil.
Kosher dill sandwich stuffers, but we need this for pickle juice. Flour.
I'm gonna link the guy's TikTok down below too because he actually does this with a lot of different foods and shit. This is a really weird mixture and it's really gonna gross me out. I already know, but I'm just trusting the process.
I know.
Teamwork makes the dream work. So whenever we make this, the chicken has to marinate for 4 hours exactly. The guy was very specific about that. And so we're gonna let it marinate. We're gonna clock out for a little bit. We're gonna chill, we're gonna relax, and then tonight we're gonna get back at it. What sauces do you like there?
I love the ranch, the Chick-fil-A, and the buffalo.
Do you have a specific sauce for your fries and a specific one for your nuggets?
Yeah, so my nuggets are the buffalo sauce, and then my fries is ranch and Chick-fil-A both.
My sauce for my nuggets is the barbecue sauce, and my sauce for my fries is the ranch. Oh, it smells gross, bro. Oh.
Ew, that. I literally have chills right now. Oh.
That was so gross, dog.
Chick-fil-A. 4 hours on the dot. Before everyone starts asking, because I know everyone is going to ask, and I'm
Skims.
My PJs are from Target. Stop. They have Santa Claus on a dinosaur on them, and then we got Skims. This is Skims over here.
Nugget time.
Hey, let's go.
Hey, let's go nuggets. Let's go. So we need to get our little flour and like breading mixture together. We're also gonna order Chick-fil-A nuggets so we can compare. And then we're gonna do fries, and that way we can get sauce too, and so we can have like a full ass meal.
What sauce?
Maybe next time we'll learn how to do the fries too. Welcome to Chick-fil-A, how may I serve you?
6 pounds of salt, please.
My pleasure.
When did you discover, how old were you when you discovered Chick-fil-A?
I was probably like 8th grade.
Okay, same. No, it must have been 7th grade. And they're, what's up, Papa Oakley?
Shut up.
The cat was on the corner or whatever, and then I turned back.
I've been very loyal.
I've been loyal since then.
What's our manager's name at the Burbank one? We love him.
I think his name's Brian.
Brian gives out tons of free cookies there. You're doing what I think you're doing? Oh baby, we're about to have a gourmet meal, don't you worry. And we put our little breading mixture into here. Oh, this pickle juice thing smells so gross. Now we take our pickled chicken and put it in here. Our chicken is ready.
Those faces, people might think you're serious.
Oh, it's pretty interesting right now.
I see the vision. I think you just have to trust the
Why
process.
did I think it was an air fryer?
They're calling us up. Yo, Brian's looking to hire. I got an email the other day. Did you see that?
I got an email too.
Brian was scouting me out, bro. I really hope these turn out good. It definitely smells like Chick-fil-A. Look, the nuggets look just like them too. Look at that one.
Holy cow.
We got Chick-fil-A nuggets to compare.
Whoa.
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 Whoa. I'm so scared.
Okay. Here's our nuggets that we made. And honestly, they look just like Chick-fil-A nuggets.
I'm actually shocked, you guys.
Look at the comparison. And now for the real taste test. We have to try it with sauce, obviously.
I'm gonna try with Chick-fil-A.
I'm gonna go with barbecue.
Cheers.
I'm so nervous.
Oh.
That is just like it.
Let's try a Chick-fil-A one now. Theirs is sweeter.
Mmm.
Do you taste that, or is that the sauce?
I see what you mean. Like a lot sweeter.
Yeah.
And I've never thought of nuggets to be sweet.
No. I think I like ours better.
Those are good as fuck. Back in September, Jess came back home with me to Missouri, and I found an old video camera. What would it even, like tape? Is that what it's called even that's in it? Yeah, like old school video camera. And we started messing around with it just for fun, and we ended up making a music video to Uncle Cracker's song, obviously. And we just got the footage back, and we're about to watch it now. So of course we're having a premiere. You know, we gotta set the lights. We're in our places. Hey! We're ready for our big moment. It's time.
Why am I so excited?
Oh, bitch. Hey, we're movie stars.
I'm not gonna lie, Missouri is one of my favorite places.
We love you, Cracks.